back to my channel. This is NK and today I'm going to walk you through my skincare routine. So my skincare routine has changed over the years and it actually is recommended for everyone to switch up some of the products that they use every 2 to 3 months so that your skin doesn't get too used to the products and then they become less effective over time. Currently, my skincare routine is definitely a lot more extensive than it ever has been, and it just works for me to switch out some products that I feel like maybe are becoming less effective and then continue using the products that I cannot not use, like the products that are my hero products that I know if I put them on I will always be able to maintain healthy skin, clear skin. My skin has gone through so many drastic changes over the years. I grew up with cystic acne. So if you guys are unfamiliar, it is when you get those huge bumps all over your face. They're not fun at all. Really struggled with my self-confidence due to that and didn't want to be seen or go out in public, and it was really bad. Went to dermatologists, did all the different kinds of sign-up programs, Murad and Proactive. I did them all and they worked at some points and then they stopped working. So I needed to find something everyday use that wasn't going to be crazy expensive, but also I do have some products that are a little more on the pricey side, but I believe that when you invest in yourself, you should be really investing in long-term quality products. And that most likely means that some will be a little more pricey, but it's not like you're getting them every month. My skincare products probably last 2 to 3 months, so I am okay with that. So I wanted to first show a close-up of my skin before I talk about the products that I use. Right now, this is what it looks like. My skin, even 2 weeks ago, broke out so much, and I learned that dairy is the cause of that, and that's actually pretty normal for a lot of people's skin. Dairy, cheese, milk, an excess of it can break you out, and that's what happened, but it is slowly healing, which I'm happy about. The dark spots, this is something that just takes a lot more time, and I do have a product that I used for that. It ran out, so I can't show you in this video, but I will link and I'll talk about what product I use for my dark spots. First product I use for my skin is in the shower, and I shower in the morning and then I don't shower at night, so I shower once a day, but I do this same regimen morning and night. So in the morning when I shower, I use the First Aid Beauty face cleanser. So this is what it looks like. This stuff is awesome. It removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. First Aid Beauty was kind enough to send me this, so thank you so much. Most of the things that I'm going to show, brands have gifted me, which I'm really, really, really thankful for. I joke and say that I really don't need to buy any more skincare ever because brands are so sweet enough to send them to me, and I am very grateful. Next product I use is the Biore Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser. This stuff I've been using for years. This stuff is one of my hero products. And then a newer product that I use, but I can't show it because it's almost gone. From Good Molecules, it's a salicylic acid soap bar. So definitely in the morning, I do 3 different washes and cleanses, and I say it's the triple threat because it really does help to keep my skin as clear as possible because I just naturally break out a lot, unfortunately, but I do all of that to mitigate it and keep it under control. So once I step out of the shower, the items that I use are, first and foremost is the Claricel Rapid Rescue Deep Treatment Pads, and it's a salicylic acid acne medication. This stuff is amazing. It does advertise that it is maximum strength and you can see visible results as fast as 4 hours. This stuff is actually really, really, really strong. It tingles when you put it on, but it is really, really, really good. I started using it 2 months ago and I've noticed a significant difference in my skin, and it does help to just limit breakouts. Then I use the Good Molecules Glycolic exfoliating toner. So this removes dead skin and it promotes glowing skin. So I'm actually going to be putting this on while I am filming because I just took a shower. This stuff is great. I've been using this for about a month. Good Molecules sent it to me. Thank you, Good Molecules. So after that, so these two products I don't use every single day, but I try to use it once a week along with everything else. Kiehl's sent me the Herbal Extract Toner, and it is the Calendula. I feel like I am butchering all these names, but this is what it looks like. This stuff is great. It smells so good. And like I said, I use it once a week just when I want to get a little bit more fresh. So I just put it on a cleansing pad. Youth to the People sent me a cleansing pad, so thank you to them. So I just put it on a pad. Put it all over my skin. And then I go in with the Youth to the People Superfood Unity Exfoliant. It has mandelic acid in it, so a different type of acid than the salicylic acid. Put it on the same pad. Just put a little bit on the pad. Work that through my skin as well. All right, the next series of products I use in the morning at least are the following. From Peace Out Skincare, I use their Retinol Eye Stick. So I use this in under eye, for my under eye circles. And then I rub that in. You couldn't see this is what it looks like. Peace Out Skincare sent that to me, so thank you to them. This is one of my hero products. I've been using it for I think 5 years. It's been a very long time. The Different Gel, and it has adapalene in it. That is a very strong active ingredient for acne. It's prescription strength, but you don't need a prescription, if that made sense. Next, I go in with the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. This is what it looks like. It has 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So it's very good for brightening your skin and reducing the lines. So I go in and I put this all over as well. My other camera died, so here we are again. So like I was saying, this, you're only supposed to use it once a day, but right now, just because of how my skin is acting up, I'm using it twice a day. So I'm going to put this on. What's really cool about it is you just squeeze the top and then the formula comes out. So I like to put this on simply on my problem areas, really rub it in. And this stuff is super powerful too, especially because it is truly formulated to my skin, which is great. Okay, that was a lot of product. And then I'm gonna show you things that I usually put on. I'm not gonna put it on today for this video, but if I am feeling a little more dry, right now I definitely am super moisturized, but if I'm feeling dry, I'll put on the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. It's used for intense hydration, and it is for dry patch skin. So I will be using it more considering we are moving into winter and my skin does get a little more dry in the winter. However, my skin is usually pretty oily, so I don't need to use it very often. And then good old chapstick for my lips. Lip care is part of skincare, so I put this on honestly several times a day, but my lips are super chapped. I need some. So I put this on in the daytime, and Lineage sent me a lip sleeping mask, so it smells super good, and I put this on at night. and this is what it looks like. I mean, it's nothing exciting, but it's pink, which is cute. So I put this on at night before I go to sleep and keep it on while I'm sleeping. That is the skincare routine. Like I said, I do this twice a day, every day, and my skin has seen so much improvement over time, and I'm really, really, really thankful for it. Something that I always get upset about is when I see a big breakout, I'm like, oh, I get annoyed, but then I'm like, okay, I know that all I need is to just chill out, and it takes time for your skin to heal. My skin has come leaps and bounds since I was a kid, and puberty really did do a number on my skin, but as an adult, I'm really learning the value of skincare and the value of investing in good skincare so that the longevity of your skin is taken care of. So here's just a close-up of my skin, what it looks like. And that is all. So thank you guys for watching. I will link everything down below, as well as my socials on where to find me. Subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you in my next video.